Hello, my name is Andrea Sharp, and I want to tell you about this career that I've selected to look into a little bit. It's a specialist in healthy living public policy. An example organization is the YMCA. Their website is ymca.org, and an example of where they're located is 3098 South Highland Drive in Salt Lake City, and their phone number is listed as well on their website. I do not know anyone currently in this career, so I was not able to get personal information, but I was able to find out on their website kind of the working environment that this career would entail. That the organization is rather large. YMCA is well known. The working hours were not listed, but it appears that it would be during the day hours to meet with people in the community and around different areas to talk about healthy living policies. The job description makes it sound like there's some personal freedom in going about the tasks that I would be assigned, but I would also have to answer someone above me and change the order of things that I'm doing if I need to, so I need to be able to be flexible. This organization is all about supporting families. There wasn't specific information about family friendliness as far as sick leave and time off of work, but the standards of this organization is very family friendly, and I would imagine that their policies for work would support someone who does have a family. Typical stressors appear that they would be there. There's a requirement to travel 10% of the time, so that might be frustrating to be away from home at that time when that falls. It's also required to have, quote, knowledge of federal organizational structures. I think that might be something might be difficult to keep up on and to unlearn those things. You also have to be able to work with a wide range of people and be able to communicate your purposes to them clearly and effectively. So this is a skill that can be practiced, but I think it might get stressful when your communication is not clear and you want it to be. Benefits, there was not specific information on the kind of benefits for this job that I was able to find. I'd probably have to ask something like that in an interview. Common job tasks. This position will work with executive branch officials to position the YMCA movement and promote our legislative agenda. This will include working in a signed coalition regarding YMCA of the USA's Healthy Living National Legislative Agenda. The position supports the YMCA's Movement Healthy Living Program agenda by advocating at the local, state, and federal level, supporting state alliances, and identifying and leveraging new or untapped resources from government and non-government partners. The educational requirements for this position, it says bachelor's degree required, public policy or similar concentration is preferred. I wouldn't have a public policy degree, but as with a marriage and family degree, it would be similar in that I would be educated in the importance of healthy living policies and action to take for healthy living. I'd also have background in public speaking, which would be useful in this type of career, as I'd be presenting to various people and need to be convincing and professional. More requirements: minimum of 3 to 4 years of work experience on Capitol Hill and or working with the political community in Washington, D.C. This may include a combination of Hill experience, executive branch experience, and nonprofit association experience. So I might have to move to Washington, D.C. and get these other requirements if this is really something that is important to me and that I would want to move forward with. The starting salary range is $65,000 and experience to $73,126. And the miscellaneous career information that I wanted to include is just about the YMCA and their program. And it says, today the Y engages more than 10,000 neighborhoods across the U.S. as the nation's leading nonprofit committed to helping people, communities to learn, grow, and thrive. Our contributions are both far-reaching and intimate, from influence our nation's culture during times of profound social change to the individual support we provide an adult learning to read. By nurturing the potential of every child and teen, improving the nation's health and well-being, and supporting and serving our neighbors, the Y ensures that everyone has the opportunity to become healthier, more confident, connected, and secure. And I feel like this job would be something that would complement this major, and would be something that I could work with, as I know that healthy living habits are important, and I would be willing to look into this more as the time goes on and I'm ready to choose a career. Thanks for listening.